Hey, Antoine Victor here with another screencast demo. Today we're going to do a quick Java project that we will use in the rest of our demos. So we're going to create a Java project called Echo App. And it's going to be a really simple project. We're just going to have a single class file called Echo and its associated test. So we'll start with the test using tester and development. We'll create a class called Echo Test. And in our Echo Test project, we're going to create a single test method called test echo. This we're in Java, so we'll call it test echo. And it's going to have a string variable called actual, and another string variable called expected, which we'll set equal to hello world. You can't have a programming demo without at least one hello world. Then we will set that actual string variable by calling our echo class's echo method and passing it our expected value. Assuming that echo method returns our expected value, we will assert that they are equal our expected value and our actual value. Now, in order for all this to work, we have to do our imports. So we'll import the JUnit libraries, which makes that red squiggly go away. We'll insert our JUnit assertions, and then we'll also create our echo class. There's our echo class, but no echo method yet. So we will also create our echo method. Now there's just one simple thing to get our test to pass. If we run this, we'll see our test does not pass yet. We will run this as a Java app. Oops. Okay, return a string then. Expected. Run that. First, save all. Now we see our test is passing. So that's our basic Echo app. We're going to use this Echo app in all of our future demos. So we'll go ahead and stop this demo there and continue on with the next demo.